Now, next what we will do is, if you have seen the images, or if you saw the images of this building, you must have seen the glass is coming out like a small narrow streak from here, and it is expanding, and then joining this face, and it is continued till here. So this particular, the thing which I have selected in front of you, the glass follows here. So for that I need some guidelines so that I can start that expansion of glass and then expand it till here. First thing I will do, I will create a line here so that I can get some reference points for them. I will make them not accurate, but yes, just in proportions. So let me take the polyline command again and draw a line here like this, right? And then I can select this curve, and from the top view, now you see this arrow thing, this is a gumball. What does this gumball do? This gumball helps you in moving and extracting and selecting any object. This you can uncheck and check from this snap box. You uncheck this gumball, it won't show you anything, but if you check it, it will show you a different axis. Like let's say you want to rotate this on blue axis, you can use this gumball to rotate. Or if you want to rotate on the red axis, you can definitely rotate this. Or if you want to rotate on the blue axis like this, you can rotate. Or if you want to move this, you can select the blue arrow, you can move this. So all in total, you get a lot of options with this gumball to play with your object. Or if you want to move precisely, let's say some distance you want to put, let's say you want to move this cursor upwards or backwards. Let me go to the top view, move these lines this side, towards back. So what I will do, I will select this and I will directly type -800 as. So you saw this went backwards. What if I would have typed plus or just 800? It will take that line forward. So like this, you can precisely move using this gumball. This is a very handy thing. Helps a lot when you are doing in 3D objects. You want to rotate and move precisely quickly in a certain directions. You don't have to use move command all the time. You can just use this gumball to do your movement. It's more faster. Here in this case, what I want them to move here, and I want to give two reference lines from which my glass will extract. Let's see how. I will select this again. I will type -900, let's say, and then I will copy this again. So I will use copy command and use the midpoint and copy at a distance of 900 again, let's say, or I can make it 1200, right? I will delete this one. You can I will increase this to -300. So totally this distance becomes 1500, right? And let's go back to perspective and see. Yeah, our lines are coming like this. Now next, what I will do, I will make the roof here and the slab, the floor, and this side and this side. So again, I will take the polyline command and will make line here, and I will bring this, select this curve and use the gumball to bring this line again minus, let's say 1000 or 1500. Let's keep it the same. And same way, what I will do, I will make another polyline at the bottom, or you can mirror this also. How to mirror this? Let's see. I will select this curve and then I will use mirror command. We have discussed this command previous video also. Now you can see it is showing a plus sign. That means my copy to the mirror is yes. I want a copy of this. Now I will go to right hand side view, and you can see this is our line is selected here. I will use the midpoint and I will give this axis on which I want a line to be mirrored, and I will click. So you can see now my line is mirrored at the bottom as well. Now this two lines are done. Next, what we will do is I will continue this offset to this side also, using the same, following the same thing, using the polyline, making the curve at the top, and then selecting it, right, using the gumball, select it, minus 1500, press spacebar, and then I can use mirror command to mirror this line. Or what I will do, I will just copy this, as already I have a reference line here. I will select the curve and then copy it from this endpoint and paste it to this endpoint. Now you can see this particular offset, not by specific dimension, but yes, this, consider this as a slab, and this remaining the center portion as the glass, and which I need to merge this with these two curves. So how do we do that? There is a wonderful command for this, which is known as blend curve. So you type blend curve, it will come up. Select it, it will ask select curve to bend or blend, sorry. So you want to blend edges, so, or curves. So this is my first curve, and then it will ask me again another curve from which you want to blend. So I will select this curve, and you can see it has blended the curve. When I select the line, it is blended like this. Isn't it perfect? Same way, now I want to blend this curve to this curve, right? So I will repeat the blend curve. Just right click, it will automatically bring you to the last command, or press spacebar also to do that. It has brought me the last command, which was curve to blend. So sorry, blend curve, and it is asking me straight away to select the curve. So I will select this curve this time, and the second curve will be this one, right? And you can see it has already been. Now I select both my curves and will show you. You can see. So this is how it has, coming down, and this whole portion becomes the glass and remaining is covered. This is how the glass is extending in the building. Light is coming from this particular space, and then it's continuing, this glass is continued till here. Nice, right? So this step is done. I hope you have followed up. So next, what I will do is I will split these surfaces. You can see this is my slab portion, this is my glass. So what I will do, I will split these surfaces. For that, I will use split face command, split face, right? And let's see what this command can do. You can see when I went to the Rhino help, they are showing how you can split the surfaces using this command. So you need to select an existing curve to use the cutting object, right? So based on using the curve, that particular surface can be cut down using the curve as a reference. Let me show you how it is done. Let me go back and take that command again, split face, right? Now it is asking me to select a face to split. So I need to split this face. Now it is asking me, okay, the face is selected, I will press space bar. Now it will ask me start of split axis, right? So instead of axis, I want to give curves. So I will type C and space bar. Now it is asking me select split curve. So my split curves are this and this. So when you are done selecting all the curves, then only press space bar. So I have selected I need only these two curves through which I want to split my face. So I have selected these two, and then I will press space bar. Now this face is splitted, but still you can see it as one because we need to explode it. So again I will bring explode command, space bar. Now it is exploded. Now if you select, you will see three different faces, right? This is my glass, these two are my slab. Now if you see here, this side there is no, so this slab and this slab needs to be joined at this corner. So first what I will do is I will select these surfaces and I will isolate other objects so that I can only work on this. To do that, what you can do, go to the display tab and, sorry, not the display tab, the visibility tab, of course. Here you will see isolate or lock object. So what I will do, I will select this and I will use isolate or lock object. So when I do that, you can see all my other objects have become gray. That means only this surface is active. So no other things will be affected. Why I have done this? Because I want to drag this using the gum ball and create a slab, almost a slab here. So you can see just by just matching it with this thickness, or it was 1500. So what you can do, just left click and 1500, it will go 1500 behind. Next what I will do is I will select it again and then I will use extrude curve. What it does, it only extrudes the plain flat surface. So it will ask me to select the curve. Our curve is this line, right? And then I will press enter. Okay. You can see that it is getting extruded. Now it will ask me the direction, right? So I will set the base point. I will give the direction first. So direction will be from this point to this point, like in this direction, which is my green axis. Once the direction is set, now you can see it is perfectly aligned and I can pull it till here, right? So we have got the slab thickness this side as well. Now I will go back to the visibility and I will unlock everything, sorry, unlock objects. So it will bring all my objects back. Okay, so I hope till now, till here, everything is clear in this. We are almost there to create a slab surface here. So we have this, not the curve, the extrusion, and this. So these are three different faces. What I will do, I will go to, yes, this toolbar, which is solid tools. Here there is an option which is called merge two coplanar faces, or right click to merge all coplanar faces. So in every tool you will see there is a right click and a left click option. Most of the tools, both keys do a different thing, right? You can see how huge the tool library is in Rhino. It is filled with it. So the moment I bring my mouse here, you will see two clicks with two different functions. So I will use right click to merge all my coplanar faces which I have selected. Right click and you can see these faces are now merged. Now you must be seeing these dots and wondering what it is. These are actually control points, right? So if I don't want to see them, I can go here. You can see show object control points. Again, left click and right click scenario is there. So if you left click, it will show you points, and if you right click at the same function, it will off the points. Now you can see there are no points here. Control points, you can see, you must have seen how it's helpful. It gives you a gumball through which you can rotate and move your objects or surface or curves or lines. You can do so many things with that, right? So you can see this is my glass surface separated from my slab around it, and this is my another. Now the same way which I have splitted here, I will do the same to this place also. I will again bring the split face command and I will select the face to split and press space bar, and then we'll use curve 1 and curve 2, then press space bar, and then again I will explode as we did before. Now you can see this face is also separated like this: slab, glass, glass, right? Same way to this surface, we have two curves blending along. So I will select this surface, or I will again go back to split face command, space bar, select a face to split, selected the face, space bar, curves, right? Select your two curves and then again press space bar. Now you can see you need to explode that again, right? So you have this glass which is blending like this on this particular twist and then which is continuing to this and this. So either you can join these faces or you can merge using this merge or coplanar, or you can join using the join command, JOIN spacebar. Now they are joined. They are one single glass element. And to make it as a separate thing, what you can do, you can create a new layer. We have discussed layers also in the previous videos. Just click this button and type glass, and to change the color here in the shaded viewport you can make it blue, right? And you need to put this in this layer. So for that, select the object, go to the glass layer and right click and change object to layer. Now you can see we have a glass. So for now I will off this and you can see the inside of the building. This is how you must have seen in the video how people are moving here and getting into it. It's not over yet. This is just a overall skin, and if you look closely in the photo again, you can see the photo where they have different small elements rotating. This is not a whole flat surface. There are elements which are rotating at intervals. We will build them also. So I hope till here it is clear and you are following up. This is the curve which you don't want. You can remove this. For now you can keep it. We will remove it later. Now you don't need these curves. If you want, you can delete them. It's not a problem. Just to keep your model clean, right? Now you can see these are different surfaces. What we want to do is we want to make them as one. So I will select the whole thing and I will use join command, space bar. It will join everything and create mesh. Further, if something is remaining, to merge everything, again we will use the same command, select the whole thing, okay, go back to to the solid tools and use the same merge all coplanar using your right click. So whatever would have been remaining, it will merge everything.